Hello everyone and welcome back to Inside Luxury Campers. Today we've got something really special for you, the all-new Livezone Freedom Poer A. This compact RV packs some serious punches and I'm particularly excited about its built-in washer and dryer combo. Stick around, you won't want to miss this tour, and if you love RV content, hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's step into the bathroom. Here's the showstopper, a built-in front-loading washing machine with a stainless steel drum perfectly integrated into this wood grain cabinetry. Bathroom is a really smart, compact setup designed to be super functional. You've got your reliable Thetford toilet right here, nice and clean. Above that, a really modern sink with a sleek black faucet and a generous mirror to help you get ready. The corner placement of the sink is a clever way to save space. Having laundry facilities right inside your RV, that's a game changer. The shower area itself features a handheld shower head and a blue privacy curtain, giving you that personal space you need. There's also a grab bar on the wall and a ceiling-mounted LED light with a fan vent for excellent ventilation. It's a bright, airy, and incredibly practical space. The 100-liter fresh water tank and 50-liter gray water tank ensure you have plenty of water for your needs, and the efficient 48-volt DC system keeps everything running smoothly. Now we're stepping into what I consider the heart of any RV, the kitchen. This area is really well designed. You've got a stylish built-in sink with a dark countertop and a small window right above it, which is fantastic for natural light while you're cooking. Just above the sink, there's a compact microwave with a really cool gold-toned control panel, a nice little touch of luxury. It's cleverly built into the cabinetry, making the absolute most of the space. To the side, there's a dual-labeled storage compartment with integrated lighting, perfect for stashing all your kitchen essentials. The dark gray walls with that clean white trim really give it a modern feel. Underneath the counter, you'll find power outlets and control knobs, so everything's right at your fingertips. The stainless steel sink has a single faucet and a pop-up drain stopper. It's set into that dark countertop with a black backsplash, and check this out, a fold-down cover for the sink. That's brilliant for extending your counter space when you need it. This kitchen is definitely functional and looks fantastic. Moving to the other side, you'll find the induction cooktop, which is not only efficient but also easy to clean. The cooktop is seamlessly integrated into the countertop and it comes with a sleek, modern design. The cooktop features multiple burners, allowing you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. Additionally, the kitchen is equipped with ample storage, including overhead cabinets and drawers, ensuring you have plenty of space to store all your cooking utensils and ingredients. Right here in the kitchen area, you'll find a really handy storage cabinet. It's got soft, close hinges, which is always a nice touch. Perfect for keeping all your toiletries and essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. Back in the kitchen zone, you've got a compact black refrigerator with stylish chrome handles and adjustable shelves. It's seamlessly integrated next to a dark cabinet, fitting right into the RV's modern aesthetic. Inside, you'll find clear door bins and a crisper drawer to keep your food fresh on your travels. Tucked away neatly under a cabinet in this storage area, you'll find the water heater. It's got the red and blue PEX pipes for hot and cold water, keeping everything organized and easy to access when needed. Here's a cozy bunk area with privacy curtains, a skylight overhead, and convenient storage underneath. This is your dining area, featuring a fold-down table, comfortable seating, and some handy storage solutions. It's all about comfort and style here. You've got this lovely cream-colored quilted bench seat with red stitching and black seat belts, super inviting for relaxing. Overhead storage and a speaker add to the modern vibe, and those sheer curtains with ambient lighting really create a cozy atmosphere. And right here, above the living area, you've got more overhead cabinets, again with those smooth, soft close hinges, plus the built-in AC unit. Speaking of the AC, here in the living area, you'll find a sleek wall-mounted air conditioning unit. It has adjustable vents, And get this, it's a 48-volt DC system designed to keep you cool efficiently. Let's head into the bedroom area of the Livezone Freedom Poer A. It's a compact yet really functional space, perfect for getting a good night's rest. The bed has a clean white mattress, and you've got 2 windows for light and ventilation. One is an overhead skylight, and the other is a side window, both framed in white with secure locking mechanisms. The interior walls are a light gray, and the ceiling has a nice textured finish, adding to the modern feel. Over here, you can see a wall-mounted reading lamp, a smoke detector for safety, and a small storage compartment, all thoughtfully placed for your convenience. Looking out the window, you get a nice view of the outside, and you can even see another vehicle parked nearby. This RV really focuses on making your travel comfortable and practical. Now let's take a look at the roof. You can see 2 substantial rectangular solar panels mounted side by side, held securely by metal frames. These are part of the RV's impressive 840-watt solar system, giving you plenty of clean energy for your adventures. The surface is a little dusty, as you'd expect from being out in the elements, but they look to be in great shape. You'll also spot 2 vent covers, probably for air conditioning or ventilation, and an integrated LED light fixture with a circular fan vent. This setup ensures good airflow and lighting throughout the RV. Here we are at the exterior of the Livezone Freedom Poer A. It's got a really sleek, modern look. The entry door is open, inviting you right into the living space. That prominent orange lightning bolt logo really adds a dynamic touch. You've got convenient side storage compartments, which are perfect for keeping your camping gear organized and easily accessible. And don't forget the integrated step. It makes getting in and out so much easier. This RV is built on a second-generation dedicated RV chassis, actually derived from the GWM tank, so you know it's going to be a solid and reliable ride. With up to 840 watts of solar charging and a massive 48 volts, 12.5 kilowatt-hour battery, you are set for power on all your adventures. Check out this handy pull-out shelf here. It has a black surface with a white frame, perfect for setting down your camping gear or drinks. There's a small yellow label on it, and the hinge door keeps everything secure and easily accessible when you need it. Take a look at these wheels. Multi-spoke alloy rims with a cool 2-tone finish. They look ready for any off-road adventure. This is really convenient. An electric retractable step. It makes getting in and out of the RV a breeze. The ribbed surface gives you a really good grip, adding both safety and convenience. Welcome to the driver's cockpit. It's a modern and really well-equipped space. You've got a large central touchscreen display, easy-to-use climate control buttons, and a steering wheel with integrated controls. The interior is a nice blend of black and tan materials, giving it a comfortable and sleek feel. You can choose between a 2.4-liter turbo diesel or gasoline engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, and it even has AWD controls for added versatility. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of another incredible RV. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe to Inside Luxury Campers for more, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.